The court's judge, one of the judges, his name was Ravindran, he said to me, who will go to the middle of the ocean and pray? He asked me. Why are you making such a fuss about this Ram Setu? So I said, every morning I pray to Lord Surya, but I don't go to Surya and come back. Because in our concept, we can pray from a distance also. Of course, we can always go to Ram Setu. Now I'm hoping that very soon the Prime Minister will declare that Ram Setu is a national heritage monument, and the government will make it possible for you to go there. And you also, if the Prime Minister comes here, tell him to do it quickly. Otherwise, I'll have to go to court again, like for Ram Temple.